Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter number 2, that is the acid, bases and salt, and we are going to discuss the concepts of acid and bases. But before starting the topic, concepts of acids and bases, first of all we are going to discuss some general properties of the acids and bases and what is the main difference between base and alkali. It will be the part of today's lecture. First of all, some basic properties of acids. Acid word is derived from a Latin word which is acidus, and this Latin word acidus means sour, trush, khatta. The acids are sour in taste, like if you have experienced the lemon, vinegar or unripened apple, oranges, they are very sour in nature. That is why it is because they contain some acids in them, and that is why they are sour in taste. Another property of acid is that they turn blue litmus paper into red litmus paper. For example, if you dip the piece of litmus paper that is blue in color into the acid, the color of that litmus will be changed to red. I am going to show in the demonstration as well. It changes the color of acid and base indicator. Now, if we add acid or base into indicator, what is indicator? Indicator is a chemical which changes its color in acidic medium and basic medium similarly. So if you put acid into indicator, it changes its color accordingly, and if you add base into the indicator, it changes its color accordingly. The common famous indicator is called as phenolphthalein, and I am going to show a demonstration of that as well. Aqueous solution of acids conduct electricity. If you make their solution, if you dissolve acid into the water, they are very good conductor of electricity. That solution can allow electricity to pass through it. And strong acids are very corrosive in nature. Corrosive, it can damage the layer. For example, if the strong acid is if some fabric or some paper or skin is exposed to strong acid, the acid can burn that fabric, that skin. So they are very corrosive in nature. Now let's move ahead to the properties of the bases. Bases, like acids were sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. They are bitter in taste. Kadwa. Bases turns red litmus paper to blue. It is totally opposite to the acids. In case of acid, we discussed that acid turns blue litmus to red. Bases turns red litmus to blue. Bases also changes the color of acid-base indicator. If you introduce base into the indicator, the color of the indicator will be changed. Just like acids, aqueous solution of bases conduct electricity. They are also good conductor of electricity. If you dissolve some base into the water and pass electricity, electricity will be passed and it will show conductance. Strong bases are also corrosive in nature. Just like acids are corrosive in nature, the strong acids. Similarly, the strong bases are also corrosive in nature, means they can burn the skin, fabrics, whatever surface they are exposed to. Now let's move ahead. The difference between bases and alkalis. What is the main difference between bases and alkalis? What is base first of all? Base is something which is metal oxide or metal hydroxide that reacts with acid to produce salt and water. What is base? Base is something that reacts with acid to produce salt and water. And that something can be either metal oxides or metal hydroxides. Whereas what is alkali? Alkali are the water soluble bases. Alkalis are the water soluble bases. Means the base that is soluble in water will be called as alkali. So in this regard we can say that all the alkalis can be bases, but not all the bases can be alkalis, because bases can be of two types, that is soluble bases and insoluble bases. The soluble bases will be the alkalis, whereas insoluble bases will not be called as alkalis, they will be called as simple bases. Thank you boys. Allah Hafiz.